Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very powerful Service Cloud feature, escalation rules. So if your cases are getting stuck, customers are waiting too long, or managers want automatic alerts, then escalation rules are your solution. So let's understand what they are, why we use them, and how to configure them like a real Salesforce consultant. So escalation rules help us automatically escalate a case when it's not responded to or not closed within a certain time. So think of like this, a customer raises a case, nobody replies for 2 hours, and the system automatically escalates it to a senior agent or manager. So basically escalation rules make sure no customer's query goes unattended. So when do we use them? So we recommend to use escalation rule in situation like support team with strict SLAs, cases that must be answered within a fixed time, managers who want alerts before SLA breaches, when customer expect faster resolutions, high priority or VIP customer cases. So before jumping into the demo, let me quickly explain the building blocks. So escalation rule, this is a parent container. It defines when the rule will run. Second one is rule entry. These are your conditions like case priority equal to high or case origin equal to email, etc. And third one is escalation actions. This defines what should happen. For example, reassign to another user or queue, send email notification or notify managers. And fourth one is business hours. So escalation timing respects business hours and holidays so your timers behave correctly. So let's go to the live demo. After logging in your business org, go to the setup and in the quick find box, type in escalation rule. Click on escalation rules. Click on new. So I will name it demo rule and I will make it active. So escalation rule works similar to the case assignment rule, only one rule can be active at a time. Click on save. So as you can see, as I make this rule active, so this rule is automatically deactivated. Open this rule. I will define the rule entries now. Click on new. Sort order is 1. And like the assignment rule, I will define the same criteria. Case subject contains payment. So I will using the business hour specify on the cases and click on save. Now I will define the escalation actions. So click on new and here I will specify the age of the case. So I will define the 30 minutes. So when the case hits 30 minutes and still no one has updated it, so Salesforce checks the rule and escalate it. If the age of the case is over 30 minutes, so it will automatically assign to Aarti Singh, and we can also send any notification template like case assignment notification, and also we can notify the managers that this case is escalating and assigning to this user and click on save and I will open any case. So as you can see in the detail that the status of this case is new, and if case created time exceeds the 30 minutes, it can automatically assign to the user which we defines in the case escalation rule. So while creating the escalation rule, here are some bonus tips. So escalation timers restart if you change your rule entry field, and you can use multiple escalation actions for multi-level escalation. Use entitlement processes for very advanced and SLA management. Always align escalation rule with the business hours and holidays. And escalation email can be branded using customer template. So that's all for today's video on escalation rule in Salesforce. This is one of the most frequently used feature in Service Cloud. So if you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Salesforce content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.